Good afternoon, I'm KPRC2 weather intern Khalil Ray, and right now, take a look at these current temperatures. 92 in Houston, 94 in Katy. Now notice how some of these areas are a bit hotter than those rural areas, like 87 in Galveston, even though not quite rural, but not as urban. 88 in Lake Jackson, 89 in Sugar Land. Now the reason why is what we call the urban heat island effect. So what this is that we have these artificial pavements like asphalt, concrete, a lot of buildings, a lot of cars, energy use, all of those contribute to the surface in our air feeling a lot hotter sometimes than some of those rural areas. Up to 4 to 8 degrees warmer is what we can usually feel like in the city compared to those more rural areas. And this also continues in the night as those same pavements, like again, asphalt, concrete, it releases heat slower and not as much compared to like grass, for example, or those natural surfaces. So this is a good way to look at this. The pavement temperature is about 72 degrees, retaining some of that heat from earlier yesterday. And then also the pavement, the non-pavement, like grass, sitting at about 70 degrees because it's released a little bit more of that heat. Now look how hot it can get for the pavement, 120 degrees compared to if you were just sitting on grass at about 92 degrees, a lot more manageable there. Now also, this is just a look at different surfaces compared to what grass would feel like. So concrete can feel 9 degrees hotter, soil and brick can feel 16 to 17 degrees hotter, then asphalt and astroturf just uncomfortable out there, 28 degrees and 35 degrees. Like you feel it when you put your hand on that asphalt for sure. And again, building density size, along with the number of buildings, energy use, cars, and those artificial pavements can really increase some of those temperatures. But if you have different things, for example, water and plants and parks, those really help cool us down. For example, if you've been to Herman Park, you'll notice that it's noticeably cooler there than it would be, say, if you were at NRG Stadium, where it's packed with cars, pavement, buildings all over the area. It feels a lot worse over there than if you're out there chilling with the ducks at Herman Park. So now you guys know exactly why it feels hotter in some of these urban areas versus rural areas. And for more tips on staying cool, visit clay2houston.com or our KPRC2 weather app.